My husband's after sex nap. And I keep waking him up just so I can give him another kiss. You're snoring again, honey?
No.
Yes, you are. You are. Well, I guess that's a short video, huh?
Thirsty.
I'm thirsty. Better get your water.
Maybe because I ate too much and I put pills and I ate on top of that to kick it in now.
It's all the potato salad and the sex. And now you're just tired. I love you. You alright?
No. Told you. Alright.
You overtired? I still say it was the sex.